Fitting to set up the GoPro over the 4S draw and the winter pellets. Been feeding them winter pellets out here for about a month, and 100 pounds have been lasting about every 4 days. So got a new rub, probably about 15 yards from the feed site. So let's see what happens in a little while. I want to say one thing for this season. It surely was a blessing to get to be an ambassador for Arcus Hunting. And been using the product for years, dead downwind, especially the Tink 69. Now, Tinks, to me, holds a lot of different meanings. The most powerful one is when I was I reckon about 13 years old, my Uncle Tommy Rapp took me hunting for the first time. It was actually me and my first two cousins, Travis and Tracy Rapp, and I shot a doe, and shot her with an old 12 gauge, and just remembering seeing Uncle Tommy with that, it was actually glass bottles, seeing that and smelling it for the first time, and just hearing the stories. That one hunt is what, it just got this fire burning for being in the outdoors, and I owe it all to my Uncle Tommy Rapp, really. I sure do. It was many moons ago. Let's stay tuned, or y'all stay tuned, and let's see what happens this afternoon. I got a few more families I need to get some deer meat up before season goes out. I use most of my tags to do that with. Out here in the woods. The four-draw pile. The four-draw pile was 30 yards. So I had to shoot that right there at 40, 41. So I put my guess at 40. Let her roll and smoked her. That rim cat brought in. She didn't go about 25 yards and she's balled up. I love them new knocks right there. They green and red and they flat. They look like a strobe. It's pretty cool. We'll sit here for just a little longer, see if another one comes out. She actually crashed right there and rolled. Look at all that blood. It's a good old doe, Georgia doe. Heart shot, baby. I was using the actually 100 grain ram cat, original ram cat, and I'm having a hard time. Let's see if I do this right here. Yeah, it's a little better. I was using the 100 grain original ram cat fixed blade, 3-blade, and like always, it does a beautiful job. Got to get her on out of here, get her to the processor. So every time y'all get out there, every time you get a chance, get out in the woods and y'all get y'all's harvest on. Until next time, take care, God bless, and Merry Christmas. Alright y'all, Harvest Kings getting it done over here in Lyons, Georgia. I want to give a special thanks to Mr. Ike Robinson for hooking us up with the land over here in the city to get to hunt. It sure is a blessing. Until next time, y'all get out in the woods and get your harvest on.